Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna plan the first week of April. This week, what I have planned is just to do Color Story. So I got out the Color Story book and we're just gonna use this sticker book. Try and do just this sticker book, plus a habit tracker, but that doesn't count. And then yeah, so let's do that. Okay, yeah, so I definitely like this so much better. I'm so glad I took that off and rearranged it. Yeah, so this was Color Story. We took a couple pages out that we used all of, so that's exciting. A lot of them were box pages, so I saved them and we'll make boxes out of them to use. Yeah, so if you like this spread, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to see when I put out new videos. That's all I got for today. Thanks. Bye.